In the bustling marketplace, where countless products and services compete for attention, capturing the hearts and minds of your target audience is no easy feat. It requires more than just a great product. It demands a clear and impactful message that cuts through the noise and connects with your customers. That's where the art of crafting a compelling value proposition comes in. In this video, we'll explore the process of developing a value proposition that not only clearly articulates the benefits of your product, but also speaks directly to the needs and desires of your target audience. By the end, you'll be able to explain the process of developing a clear and impactful value proposition that resonates with your target audience. So what exactly is a value proposition? In essence, it's a concise statement that explains what your product or service does, who it's for, and why it's better than the alternatives. It's the core message that you want to convey to your customers, the reason they should choose your product over the competition. A strong value proposition is clear, concise, and compelling, highlighting the unique benefits and value that your product brings to the table. Crafting a compelling value proposition requires a deep understanding of your target audience. You need to know their pain points, their desires, and their motivations. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they looking for? What are their priorities and values? By understanding your customers on a deeper level, you can tailor your message to speak directly to their needs and aspirations. For example, imagine you're launching a new meal delivery service. Your target audience might be busy professionals who value convenience and healthy eating. Your value proposition could be something like delicious and nutritious meals delivered to your door, saving you time and helping you achieve your health goals. This message clearly articulates the benefits of your service and speaks directly to the needs of your target audience. Another crucial aspect of crafting a compelling value proposition is understanding your competition. What are they offering? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How can you differentiate your product or service from theirs? By analyzing the competitive landscape, you can identify opportunities to position your product in a unique and compelling way. Let's say you're launching a new product management software. Your competitive analysis reveals that most existing solutions are complex and difficult to use. Your value proposition could then emphasize simplicity and ease of use, highlighting how your product streamlines project management and saves users time and frustration. Once you have a deep understanding of your target audience and the competitive landscape, it's time to start crafting your value proposition. Here are some key steps to consider. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? Define your product's key benefits. What problems does your product solve? What value does it bring to customers? Differentiate from the competition. What makes your product or service unique? How is it better than the alternatives? Keep it concise and clear. Your value proposition should be easy to understand and remember. Avoid jargon and technical terms. Test and refine. Get feedback from your target audience on your value proposition. Does it resonate with them? Is it clear and compelling? Remember, a strong value proposition is not just a marketing slogan. It's a strategic tool that guides your entire product development and marketing strategy. It should be reflected in your product design, your messaging, and your overall brand identity. Let's look at a real-world example of a compelling value proposition. A popular ride-sharing app uses a tagline, "Tap a button, get a ride." This concise message highlights the convenience and ease of use of their service, instantly communicating its core value to potential customers. This example demonstrates how a well-crafted value proposition can capture the essence of a product or service and communicate its unique value to customers in a memorable way. Crafting a compelling value proposition is an ongoing process. As your product evolves and the market changes, you may need to revisit and refine your messaging. It's also important to test your value proposition with your target audience to ensure it resonates with them and effectively communicates the benefits of your product. By mastering the art of crafting a compelling message, you can create a strong connection with your customers, differentiate your product from the competition, and ultimately drive business success. Remember, a clear and impactful value proposition is not just a marketing tool, it's the foundation upon which your product's success is built. It's important to craft a compelling message that speaks directly to your customers' needs and desires. It's a skill that will serve you well throughout your career, helping you launch successful products, build strong brands, and achieve lasting impact in the marketplace.